Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new or old, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel a lot. So thank you in advance, and we got a quick and easy little treat bag today for Thanksgiving. So this is the one I'm sharing. I love these little bags. I haven't done a bag in a while. So I thought, you know what? I'm doing a bag today, and I'm love these leaves. That's why I wanted to do this bag. And this is actually Christmas paper, but I'm using the opposite side. And I love this color together with the pumpkin pie. It looks so pretty. And I stamped this one in early espresso. So it turned out really cute. I also did a double bow, which I did ahead of time because that's a whole other video. If you want to see how to do this double bow, just put it in the comments and I can do maybe a short video on just how to do a bow. And this is really sheer ribbon, so it'd be hard to show you in the video. So that's why I went ahead and did it beforehand so that it would be all ready to go and I wouldn't have to take the time to show you how to do it, and it would be really hard for you to see. All right, so let's get started with this. I'm going to show you the designer series paper I used first. It is the Sweet Stocking. So it's this one right here. I love this paper. I haven't used a bunch of it yet, but I have some ideas for it. It's so cute. And it goes with the Sweet Stocking bundle. I love these stockings. This could even be for Halloween, but it has, the backs are all different patterns. I love this too. And this one right here is the one that I'm using. And you can make 2 bags out of one 12 by 12 piece. Look how cute that one is. Oh my gosh, these little dogs and kittens are so cute. And I love the backs of all of them. All right, so we are using this for Thanksgiving. So the piece that I'm using is 11 by 6. So if you just cut it down the center and then just cut an inch off, you'll have everything ready to go. We are also, let's see, you need just scrap pretty much, and the scrap is just for cutting out the leaves, which we're going to do with our cut and emboss. You need 2 pieces, and this is our 6x6 designer series paper, and this is in the Pool Party, so it's in our Subtles collection, and it's just a 2-sided. So this comes in all our family colors, but I decided to just use the Pool Party on this just to give it some little banners. Everything is going to be actually connected to these banners. And then you need 1 piece that is 1 by 3, and this is for our sentiment. And I'm going to show you what I used for this as far as bundles, because I use the stitched leaves. These leaves are gorgeous. If you don't have these leaves, it comes as a bundle also with the Love of Leaves, this stamp set. But if you just want the dies, just get the dies. These are gorgeous leaves, and they're perfect for Thanksgiving, for fall projects. And then I did use the detailed pumpkins. I used this bundle, so the Pretty Pumpkins, because I'm using the sentiment, and I am using this, but I'm only going to cut out this little pumpkin. I already colored it, and I'm going to save, I'm just cutting out this little pumpkin, and then I'm going to save these 2 for something else. So this is our 6x6 in the color family of the Subtles, and that's what I used for the little banner parts. And these are the leaves that we're using. When I do these, I always just put the middle in them because I love the middle, but you can use the outside part just if you're going to stamp them. So if you get the stamp set too, which is this, it cuts out all these stamped images as well. So, but I love these centers. It gives so much detail. It's all stitched. And so I just use purple tape to hold them together. And this way I can keep running them through with the centers in it. All right. So let's get started, and let's just go ahead, and I'm going to banner these first because I'm going to banner the ends on these. And then we're going to run through our dies for our leaves. So we have those all ready to go. It's going to go really quickly. All right, so these are the 2 banners. And oh, I use these mini craft clips, and I got these at the Dollar General. This whole pack was $1. I am using the larger one for this because this is going to just come off all at in one piece here. So everything is attached to the little clip here. So it can go back on and off if you want to take it off. All right, so we got our banners. Now we just need, this is for our sentiment. And I cut all these pieces ready to go so they fit all of our leaves. So I'm going to grab the cut and emboss. We're going to run these all through. So let's lay these out and do it all at one time. So we are going to do this long one is going to be early espresso. This one is pumpkin pie. Then we're going to do another pumpkin pie out of that one. And this one's going to be pool party. So we're going to run those all through. For some reason, my hands today have really been bothering me. My husband and I think it's because we have gotten back into golfing, and we were out yesterday at the driving range, and it's been, I want to say 10-15 years at least since we've golfed. And since the weather's getting so nice, we just got that urge to go golfing, and my hands are so sore from swinging a huge thing of balls. We both got a big huge bucket of balls, and we shouldn't have done it that aggressively for the first time back out. All right, let's get these on here. So I am going to glue these all together here. So I'm going to just use wet glue, and we're just going to glue these together because we're going to get this all ready for our bag. And I'm probably going to end up trimming this top part because I don't want it to show. So we're just going to keep layering these. I ended up cutting some of the tops off of that. So we're just going to layer these here. I probably want to put some more under here to hold those down. I need to spread these out though, like that, and then we're gonna do this one behind. I'm gonna put this a little bit lower because I want it to show, and then we're gonna put this one on top. So just arrange it the way that you want it. I'm gonna end up cutting, oops. This one I want down a little bit further, just like that. And then I'm going to pick this up so it doesn't stick to there, and I'm going to just trim my little banner parts here. I'm just going to trim it kind of like this because I don't want to see all that at the top. So that's going to go onto our, and I'm gluing it on here. So we're just going to glue it like that. I'm going to set it aside so that it has time to dry. So it's going to go like that. We'll put our pumpkin and our bow on in just a little bit, as soon as those dry. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stamp together using my, oops, I hit it over here, Early Espresso. I love Early Espresso with Pool Party too. It's some of my favorite colors together. And that is, I love the writing on this too. So there's our sentiment. And I already did the other bow, so this is the little bow that's going to go on there. It's so delicate, but it's so pretty. I love those double bows, and I haven't done one in a long, long time. And then we are going to cut out our little pumpkin. I used my die to cut most of this, so we are only cutting a tiny bit here. Makes it so easy. And then I can use the other pumpkins on something else. All right, so there's our little pumpkin ready. Let's do our bag. Again, this is 11 by 6. We are going to score it. And on the 6-inch side, when you're using designer series paper, always use the larger side of your stylus so it doesn't tear your paper. You're going to do it at 1 and 5. And then you're going to turn it on the 11-inch side and you're going to do it at 1, 5.5, and 6.5. So the bag is 1 inch wide. Okay, it's going to be hard to see this. Let me see. I'll try to fold on the score mark so you can see a little bit better where I'm cutting these. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am cutting the top squares here off. See, it's Christmas on the other side. So if you want to make a Christmas one, just reverse it. But I love this for Thanksgiving. And then our middle ones, we are just cutting up to that first score mark here, and then I'm just taking a little bit out. It's easier to see for me to see it on this side. That's why I have it turned this way. Doing the same thing on this side. And that's it. Now I'm going to use my bone folder and sharpen all these. And it's super easy. Always remember to sharpen them whenever you do treat holders or bags. I'm going to use my little corner rounder. I'm going to round this top one that's our top flap. I'm just rounding the corners of that. All right, now what you're going to do, I'm just going to put adhesive on this side and this side. And I think I ran out of my Stampin' Seal Plus. So I am going to go ahead and use my wet glue for this. And we're just going to put it on these flaps here. And make sure I get this to the edge. And then we're just going to tuck these in and pull this up. And just make sure that they're even on the sides. And I just brought some odd candy that I had left up here just to stick it in the box, but you can put anything in these. It's pretty large, actually. You can see you can fit quite a bit in here. So I'm just going to put some random candy in here. And you're going to pinch these sides together, and we're going to fold it over. I think I better take one of those out. Fold this over like that. It was a little too bulky. All right, and then let's get our leaves and stuff together here again. I'm going to put on my sentiment, gather together on the bottom here. And then I'm going to grab my bow. I am using glue dots to keep this on. I found the glue doesn't hold it as well. So we are putting a couple glue dots on here. I'm going to make sure. And we're going to put that right there in the middle. And then I'm going to add my pumpkin here on the top. I probably should add the pumpkin with a glue dot as well, because I think it fell off the first time I did it. Sorry about that. My husband I just got my paper pumpkin and he was bringing it in here to me because he knew I was waiting for it. It's so cute. I'm going to dry this off and I'm going to use a glue dot, because if I remember correctly, the first time I did this, that did not work. I just had to use the glue dots. The new paper pumpkins come in. And by the way, if you haven't seen the paper pumpkin that's coming for next month, oh my gosh. If you like treat holders, y'all, go to my blog, and I posted it on my Facebook page, but you can go to my blog, and I have my Paper Pumpkin website on there. It's on the right column, and it says Paper Pumpkin. And you can order Paper Pumpkin. It's only $21 a month, and you only can get 1 month at a time if you just want that one. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's snowmen, and I am a snowman nut. So this isn't the one I just got. I just got another Christmas one, and I'm really anxious to open that up and play with it. So there you go. We're just clipping it on with our little clip, and we are done. Isn't that quick and easy? It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this color with the pumpkin pie and the early espresso too. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, this is my hostess code for October. If you spend $50 or more, and you have to use the hostess code, I am sending you a free gift in the mail. I'm waiting for them to come in. I already ordered them, and I'm going to be sending them out all at the end of the month. Hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone.